It's Paul again. So what am I showing you? I'm showing you the bike room. This is the bike room, and most apartment buildings have two things here in Switzerland. One, as amenities. One is basement storage or some type of storage unit downstairs, which we'll get to, I don't know, in another video, and some type of bike room where people can store their bikes. These are very nice amenities, and they're very, very crowded, as you can see. So finding a spot and keeping that spot, is sometimes difficult, especially in a time like this in spring. Anyway, we're going to go for a bike ride. Here's my bike, and I'll see you outside, okay? So what are we doing today? Where are we going? Well, I sort of discovered some trails that I've never been on before, not too far from where I work at school. And we're going to head that direction. And there's some forest trails that we haven't been through, and it's a beautiful farmland. Great to see. So that's where we're going. And I have to be careful of the battery in this camera that I'm using right now. I only have one battery at 100%. I was not diligent, and I didn't charge the other two batteries. So I'm down to one. It's at 100%, well, 90 something now, but so I'm going to be careful, okay? I'll see you down the trail. Okay, we're at our first spot. I didn't actually plan to come here, but the sun is right. It's slightly behind us and to the left. We're going to run into some sun rays here, but I wanted to show you the mountains. This is Olakan village, and it's such a clear day. We're going to go up a little bit higher on the hill too, but I wanted to show you this. There's Lake Zurich, of course, over there, and on the other side of Lake Zurich there's those villages and things up on the hill. By the way, I rode past my bike, past those villages on my bike about 3 weeks ago on a trip around Lake Zurich. And you'll find that, guys, up here on the right of the screen. Check out that card. And that was a very long trip. It took all day, it took 6 hours. And I stopped and I had lunch and I had breakfast on my bike. So check that card out. Okay, we are going to go to another location, but before we do that, we're going to fly our drone real quick. Let's do it. And now we're bringing the drone slowly down. And it's kind of fun bringing the drone down and seeing how it lands. And it turns off automatically. Okay, after this, we're going to go to our next section. So now that we've got that shot, it's time to go down the road here and head to some undiscovered, by me, undiscovered trails and forests. Let's go. Okay, you're wondering, aren't we supposed to be in the woods? No, I had to make a quick stop at the vet for our dog Pixie. So I just went into that building, got some medication, flea and tick. We're on our way to the other location. And there's the bike over there. You see it over there. All right, let's go. I'm sorry about this stop off. So we're back on the trail. To our right is a golf course. But our aim is to get into those woods over there. And get up in there, okay? Morgan. Do you see where we're going? Up there. Hey, puppy. Up there. All right. Let me change gears here. And let's go on over there. There's a shooting range to our right. So we just flew over this field here and another view of the mountains. I turned a little bit more so you can see the surrounding area as well. So now we're going to get back on our bike and head through. Wait a minute. Here's the bike and there's a wood pile covered. Here's the bike and we're going to head down. We could go this way. I guess we could go that way, but we're not going to. We're going to go down this trail into the forest. Okay? So let's head on down that trail. So I wanted to take you through this forest a little bit and take you to the next spot. And I have to tell you, it's really quite beautiful. I'm going to take some photos as well. But like I said in prior videos, if you look up here to the right, I'll have another card up there of some more forest rides. And whenever I'm riding in the forest, I feel the best. I feel free. And You're just surrounded by beauty. You're traveling mostly, mostly by your own power. But I can't say that like I used to years ago. There's electric power as well, helping me. Okay, so we're going to come on out of the forest here and ride along this path. Let's go. Okay, so it's nice and bright out here. And we're at the top of a small hill. Not a big hill, a small hill. And the thing that makes it nice up here is that there's a valley. And you see it there. The valley in front of us. So this is where I really wanted to bring you. To see the beauty of the Swiss lowlands. These aren't really lowlands. Because anywhere else they'd be considered highlands. Can you see what I see? In German you would say schön. Beautiful. And that's what it is. I mean, this old tree here, you know, looks like someone can climb this tree here. And you look off into a lake, and I think this is Greifen, see? This lake here. And I just wanted to show you this, guys. Oh my goodness. Now here's it. Over here, to the left, we have the forest. Over here, to the right, we have farmland. Back there, if you look in a distance, way in the distance, you see the mountains. And it's, what can you say? It's beautiful. So I wanted to bring you to see this. So we're on a path we've never been on before here. That other section, I have been there before. And I wanted to wait for a day like this one. Just the camera here. A day like this one. Ooh, horse. That's nice. Horse on the path. You know, whenever I see a horse on the path, I always slow down or I get off the bike so that I don't scare the horse. Sometimes some horses are used to people on the path and some horses are not. So you don't know. Oh man, look at this deep woods. I gotta stop here for a second. I want you to see the woods here. Yeah, it's wonderful. Goodness. And I know how to get back, so I'm not lost. But I don't exactly know where I am. That's a different definition, isn't it? I see the path ahead of us. Do you see it? Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Out in the open there. Okay. Look at that. Goodness. All right. We're heading this way. And we'll go. Wait a minute. Have I been here before? Oh. Let's head up this path here. That looks like that's going to a road. So let's head up this path. Now, it's up a hill. It is. But am I worried? Of course not. Why? Because I have an electric bike. So this is where the value of electric bike really shines. Wait a minute. We're riding down here, and I saw something down this one trail, and I have to investigate it. I'm sorry. What is this building over here? What is this? I don't get in trouble. What? I see a bench at the top. And a bench here. Reservoir? I guess this is where they control the water levels. I'm not sure. In Zolacan. Wow. And 1963, the year I was born. Okay. And here's a bench here. And it's closed. And I guess it's the parking area in the middle of the forest. Okay. That's all I wanted to know. Let's keep going. We're just listening to the sounds of the forest here. Okay, let's go. Whoa, wait a minute, guys. I'm looking off to the left here. Let me pull off. I never pull off into the grass. I never do that. But today I am. Because look at those mountains. Oh my goodness, amazing. Oh, I know where we are. There's a golf course. Oh, of course I know where we are. I know exactly where we are. You know what? Let me take a couple pictures here, okay? And then I'll put them also in the video. So, please press the like button or subscribe if you wish. Oh, my tears are coming out of my eyes here because of the wind. But thank you for coming along with me today. I hope you got to see some real beauty here. Okay? Take care of each other. Bye-bye, everyone.